Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chatsiri, or you can call me Chat for short. I am from Thailand and right now I am living in Germany. And in today's video, I want to show you guys my July empties. If you're curious what I used up this month, then keep on watching. But before we start our videos today, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell symbol so you're notified when I upload my new video. I typically upload on Tuesday and Thursday. First product I want to talk about is something that I just finished using that, and this is the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo. This is in Floral and Flirty blush. I love this dry shampoo so much. It is so affordable, it's easy to find, it smells awesome. I never try any other scent, I just love this scent. And I like how the spray shoots out. There's still a little bit left. It's kind of intense, but I kind of like that. I just the whole head and then rub the product into my scalp, and that's pretty fast. And I don't have to use a lot of product. I already have the new one, the exact same one. The second product is still in the hair category, but this is the last hair product. This is Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. This was my second jar and I give up. It's really expensive. I think it's $42 per bottle, and I use it up really fast. And it doesn't work as much as I want it to work on my scalp. Like, it works slowly, and I don't know, I don't think it's worth $42 since it doesn't last that long. But I really love the scent of this one. It just smells like the Oreo mint cookie. It's just too bad. Next one is the Serum, and this is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2. Oh, I still see some products here. I couldn't get the rest of the product out, but I do love this serum. I feel like it absorbs pretty fast and it doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel like you have products on your skin. I bought this small size because I wasn't sure if I'm going to break out from this, because my cousin, she said she used it and she got some breakout. But so far the whole bottle finished and I don't think that I got a lot of breakouts, just when I'm having periods. Maybe TMI. The price is not cheap, but it's not it's not unreachable, if you know what I mean. So if you guys want to try this out, I suggest you can try the small bottle first. I think it's great though. I would repurchase this, but I am actually trying a different serum because I just want to try it. That one is more affordable one. I think that one is $14. It's from Ordinary, and so far so good. Next product is also a skincare product, and this is Glamglow Dream Duo Overnight Transforming Treatment. I love the scent of this one, but I took a long time to finish this. I don't really use overnight mask as much because I just simply don't know where to put it in my skincare routine, because I do have my system and my step. But if you like overnight mask, I suggest you can try this one because it smells awesome, and there's 2 steps in here. You put the white one on top and then let it dry now and put the charcoal one, and my skin will feel really soft the next day. Next product is the makeup wipe. This is from e.l.f. Cosmetic Makeup Remover Cleansing Cloth. I talked about this one in really long time ago in my probably last year video, because I tried that one and I hate it. I use it on my face and my skin feel really stinging. So I just use this to wipe when I swatch some makeup on my arm, and I just clean this on my arm and it was okay. But no, I would not buy this again. It's cheap, but it's not for me. Next one is also a cleansing facial wipes. This is from Therapeutics, or is it Aesthetics? I'm not sure what brand is this. I'm not sure if this is the brand or this is the brand, but this is the Retinol Cleansing Facial Towelettes. This smells really fresh. It's not as good as like Neutrogena to remove the makeup. I use this when I don't wear makeup, or to double wipe after I use Neutrogena makeup wipe. This one is alright if you don't wear a lot of makeup or you don't really wear makeup. I think this would be good because it has retinol, which is good for the skin. But if you wear heavy makeup like me, this will not be enough but on its own. So yeah, I don't think I would buy this again. I'm going back to my Neutrogena fragrance free makeup wipe. I do enjoy that very much. Next thing is the makeup product, and these are Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I think this is my first ever concealer that I actually finished the whole thing before it expired or before I lost them, and I really love them. I already got the new one. I have two shades here. I have the shade Caramel and I have Golden Door. I use the golden one under my eyes and I use the caramel to remove the dark area around my mouth and my mustache. I highly recommend you guys try this out. It's amazing. The only thing about this is they don't really have a big range of shades, so that's unfortunate. Next is the candle. This is from Bath and Body Works in the scent Blue Ocean Waves. You still see a little bit of the candle, but I couldn't get them to light up anymore. I love this scent so much. I just love it. I don't really know how to describe this scent, but it kind of make me think of a spa near the beach, if you can imagine that. I'm still exploring into candle scent because that's kind of like new thing for me. Right now in my studio I have the Yankee candle, which has similar scent to this one. Next is the vitamin. This is Hum Nutrient Gummies with Benefit Hair Sweet Hair. This is my second bottle, and I will do an update on my third. When I finish my third bottles, I do have 6 months supply of this vitamin. So you guys, if you guys interested, then stay tuned for that. And I will also do 6-month update, 3 months and 6 months. As far as the flavor in here, I'm not really loving the flavor, but it tastes a little bit like orange juice. It's not terrible, but I just want something tastier. I don't know. And the last product, this is Sephora Solid Brush Cleaner. actually what's inside this that I just finished is no longer Sephora brand, because I found a way to refill them without purchasing a new one. So what I do is, and this is a tip from me, so you guys don't have to buy this anymore, and this will work with your brushes and your beauty sponge. So what I do, if I travel a lot, I do travel quite often, and when I come across a round soap like this, I would just take them and I would just put it in, and that's it. It works great. But if you don't travel, you can, the first time I actually refilled this, I scraped the soap from the actual bar soap and just fill them in here, and then I put a paper towel on top and damp my finger and then press until they are stick together and firm, and I use them. Pretty easy and basically free. So yeah, that is all for my empties. What do you guys think of any product? Will you try the soap trick? Let me know in the comment down below, and I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!